What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at our own personal listing here at 36 Mitchell Avenue. This is a bi-level, single family, 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 600 square feet of living. You guys will take a look at the drone video that we're about to show you guys right now, how crazy big this lot is. We're actually in the middle of doing an open house right now, so we just got swamped with tons of people coming to see this property. But here we go. This is the property. This is gonna be your entrance. This is literally how you're gonna be coming into this property. Beautiful. Landscaping is done, fully renovated. You have a gorgeous maple tree right in front of you. And yeah, you're in a bit of a hill, so you can kind of see. This is your view. So let's take a look at 36 Mitchell Avenue, right here. So as soon as you walk in, there's a first step and a second level. So my friends told me right now. Let's go take a look at the living room. Oh yes, here we go. Living rooms are here. This is our partner Raj. This is his personal listing. What's up, Raj? How are you? There we go. There's people in the kitchen right now, so we're gonna take a look at that. Let's go through the bedrooms. So bedroom right here. Okay. There's a closet right there. This is what it is right now. And then this is the bathroom. First bathroom, pretty large. Okay. Brick veneer, or this is, yeah, it looks like a brick veneer all together. Bathrooms right there. Okay. We'll take a look at that one bedroom after this, but this is the other bedroom right now. Okay. Closet right there. 7, 8. Let's go downstairs. Okay. Downstairs is where your laundry is located. So you have laundry right here. Your HVAC is also here. And your water heater. This is also one of the rooms. Cozy room. Okay. Have another one here. Oh, hello, kitty. Hell yeah. This is it. You're welcome. Have a good one. This is the other bathroom, which I recommend for anybody coming in here to probably make it bigger. All right, there's plenty of space in the basement or the ground floor level to do it. This is the living room area. Okay. Living room area. Oh, kitty, don't go there. Stay out here. Okay. We'll take a look at the backyard from here. So you guys can see how large this property is. And there's still plenty more of potential for this house. Boom. This is the backyard with the garage. Lots of classics. Let's take a look at the space from this side. There's a little balcony section right there, right? So you can see. And yeah, there's a shed right here. And a really large backyard. I mean, large. Literally so big. Like insanely huge. Like, look at this thing. You have this really gorgeous tree right in front of your yard, which is refreshing, honestly. So we're not gonna take a look at the backyard all the way down. I think you guys will have a better understanding of the size once I get up there. And yeah, here we go. Another little pad right there. But this is where the main show is. Right here, just where you go grilling. This is the cabana right? And you can see how big your lot is. Like, it's so big you can't even, I have to zoom in. Anyway, guys, that is 36 Mitchell Avenue. If you're interested, our information is down below. My name is Adrian Salvador. This is living in Jersey City, New Jersey. And with the advisory group, that is our company name. We're doing a lot right now. I'm super grateful. And if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.